Welcome back to Rituals. Alright, so I got something in the mail today that I want to share with you guys. Due to COVID, in just about every area, masks are almost becoming mandatory. So I saw something online the other day of a brand that I'm already a fan of. So I made a purchase. And I'm going to show you guys that purchase. But before I do, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you be in the loop when I post new videos. Also, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Once again, thank you guys for your continued support. The numbers are going up, the subscribers are going up, and I greatly appreciate you all. So, with all that being said, let's get to the video. Let's see what I got. You saw the thumbnail and the title, you already know, but let's get to it anyway. Alright, so today we got these in the mail. The Adidas mask comes in a pack of 3. So yeah, we're gonna open this up, do a little quick review on this, let you guys know how it fits. The size online said one size fit all. I know I was trying to get them last month and you had to pick either, I guess, adult or kids, but now they switched it up. So like I said, it comes 3 in a pack. It's the first one, 2. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Open it up. That's the inside. It says right here, wash, dry, reuse. Right there. Also, if you guys haven't done so yet, do me a favor and do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos. My channel is based off car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips. So if you're into any of those 3 things, then this is the channel for you. This kind of falls into my sneaker content because I'm a fan of Adidas. I like their products, so I figured why not get one of the Adidas masks when I'm wearing the Yeezys. And as you can see, one of the videos is playing in the background. So go ahead, watch that video, very short, if you're interested in the Yeezys. With that being said, let's get back to this video though. I'm gonna put this right here on, the new face mask I got from Adidas, and I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts on it. Alright, so we got the mask on. As you can see, it has the Adidas logo on the side. I think it's rather fly. It looks very ninja-like. Very ninja, very stealth mode. Feels very, very comfortable. Fits really good. Has a little nose, almost like a pincher. So when you're wearing your glasses, it doesn't fog up your glasses that much, or your shades. As you can see, that's my Black Eagle. That's what I call him. BMW M2. Posted a video yesterday of me installing a wireless charger. If you're interested in that, go ahead and watch that video. I'll leave the link somewhere from here. That goes into the car content section of the video. Once again, this is more of my sneaker type video. Matter of fact, let me show you guys what's on the feet right now. So right now, we got on the Yeezy slides. Just so you guys know, got on the Yeezy slides today. So, kind of matching the mask. But yeah, back to the mask though. Yeah, great fit, great product. It was only $16 plus tax, so it's less than $20. Comes with 3 masks. So if you're interested, go to adidas.com right now. Order your mask. Yeah, great product. Basically says, yeah, great product. Fits very, very well. One size fits all. Yeah, great product. Love the way it fits. Once again, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos like this. Once again, I do car content, I do sneaker reviews, and I also do money tips. So if you're interested in those 3 things, this is the channel for you. And while you're here, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rituals, and y'all have a great day. Peace.